Zimbabwe Free Range Poultry Association. It's an association which was born out of the need to commercialize free range poultry in Zimbabwe. So it was born 2015 when we saw the need that our own bird, the free range bird, the road runners, are not found in our supermarkets. We are not getting them everywhere like what we normally do with the other conventional birds. So what then we did is we gathered together as farmers from everywhere around the country, anywhere around the country, and said we can do this thing, let's commercialize these birds. So we started growing them then. We are thankful that we have grown to every province of the country. More importantly, now we are thankful to the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Mnangagwa, for giving free range poultry a nod. Now farmers have the confidence of growing these birds to meet the local demand and even the export. The President said he got his friends in China who can then check these birds in their thousands, in their millions. So the free range farmers are growing these birds in numbers. So the project, the Presidential Poultry Program, is benefiting two entities. One is benefiting farmers who are producing these birds, those with incubators or those who are producing eggs. Then secondly, it's benefiting those who will be the recipients of these birds in the communities. So what we do basically is we take the birds, we take as day-old chicks, we take as eggs, we hatch commercially using our central hatching system. Then those who bring in day-old chicks, we then brood just to standardize. As you can see, we standardize the birds now, we vaccinate, we brood them the same way. Then as they grow, they will be then ready for distribution into the scheme. So on behalf of farmers, we will be then getting these contracts and orders, then farmers gather together to supply the orders.